So you want to eat healthy, you want to make good decisions, but you really don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. Let me show you what I call my silly, simple 5-minute recipe. I'm going to show you actually how I do this, and this is the exact recipe that I use when I have to, or I need to make good decisions. I need to eat healthy, but I'm just running short on time. We're going to use eggs, spinach, chicken. Just that. Let me show you. But for today's purposes, for me, I'm actually going to be adding in a little bit of diced pepper. So let me angle the camera down. I'm going to show this to you throughout the entire cooking process. So first, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil into a pan. It's usually going about a little over medium high. Next, I just bought this at the store. We're going to be using a little bit of baby spinach. Now, I like using spinach because I'm going to be one of those people that I willingly admit I'm not big into the texture of spinach. So what I like about this one is when you take it and mix it up, especially when you mix it in olive oil, just like spinach, it gets very small. If you ever notice, spinach just seems to shrink. Let me actually move the microphone a little bit more. Hopefully y'all can hear that. All right. Turn that down a little bit because I got a little hot. And the whole joke is you can see how small that's gotten. You know, spinach, it doesn't take much. You could probably throw in you could probably actually argue this might be a pound of spinach just because it shrivels up that much when you cook it. Next, I'm going to use 2 whole eggs. Finally, just basic roasted chicken. Pick this up at Tom Thumb. I prefer actually the rotisserie chicken, to be completely honest, but I will use the roast chicken when I'm running short on time. And I'm seriously just going to grab, oh, that one went down, a handful. Now, I forgot one thing. Which is going to be the seasoning. So for the seasoning for here, Tactic Calorie Carving House. Be pretty liberal with it. And then mix. My next favorite thing to add to it, which I'm not doing as of right now, which is just adding rice. So what I'll do is I'll get those minute cups of rice. I'll cook that ahead of time, but for 60 seconds while typically I'm doing the spinach. And then as soon as the rice is ready, then I'll add this to the mixture. Then what I have here right now, basically, is you joke around, you try to make an omelet, and then oops, you made scrambled eggs. Kind of the same thing, guys. This is just taking and getting a very easy way to get in some fats, to get in veggies, protein, in a very simple recipe, in a very simple method. Should take just less than a couple minutes. And guys, that's the whole point, is you want this to be simple. This is crudely simple. That's the goal. Make this so simple that if you have less than 5 minutes, you can make a healthy decision. Then from here, again, guys, this is simple. This is not supposed to be pretty. This is supposed to just make things work. Then from here, you have spinach, you have chicken, you have egg. Feel free to add in rice. Feel free to add in pepper. And right now, that's it. It really is just a couple of minutes. We now have 2 whole eggs, spinach, healthy fats, protein. It's a good meal. And this is one of those, men, especially men, you're going to love this because we are just crazy, or we should say silly simple. The easier the better. There you go. Hey, this is like when you go to get fried rice, especially you add the rice in a restaurant, or you go to places like Kyoto. Very simple stuff, guys. Keep it simple. Silly, simple, and healthy. I eat this 2, sometimes 4 times a day. It's great. If you don't want to do whole eggs, use egg whites. If you don't do eggs, if you're allergic to eggs, get egg substitutes such as egg beaters. Feel free to add in any kind of meat that you want. Feel free to add in any kind of veggies that you want. I'll add in bell peppers on my next one because this one right here, I'm going to eat right now. Then I'm going to make another one to take with me on down the road. So guys, use that. Use that recipe right there. Make your life easy. Make this simple. It's all about the silly, simple stuff that makes the big difference, and especially us trying to change our bodies and get the best shape of our life. So everyone, this is Travis Merritt with another Fitness Mastery tip. I hope that helps out. But anytime, let me know what you think. Put it in the comments section below. In the meantime, everyone, take care. Have amazing workouts, even better meals. And I look forward to chatting with all of you guys later this week.